everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you something new. Join me while cooking.
We already did the roasted chana in the pan, so this is done in salt. This is little bit softer than the one we did before. Here chana gets little puff and that is little softer. Roasted chickpeas, or it should taste like something like close to puff chana. So I have taken some Kabuli Chana, half cup, and I have taken this iron pan. So I have preheated the pan. I've added 2 cups of salt and preheated it and added this chana. This is one of the oldest method in India. They do in butties. Still it's very popular in India in old places. And like they have that with clay they make it butty. And they use sand over there. But I'm using salt here because salt is much safer. Like in the sand, that sand, small sand particles, they get trapped, and when you eat you get that sand taste. But here this is much better because you don't have that risk of sand coming in between. You can see some of them popping up, and this is good option who cannot eat my previous time past chana. So this is much softer version. So once like these parts, when you get this part, do not handle directly, use spoons, it's too hot. So once you get these spots here like this, then they are good enough. So just use something wire mesh like this, and when you take this out, then the salt falls off. Then put into container. So you can reuse this salt again. You don't have to throw away this salt. So my chana is ready. You can eat as it is, or you can just add salt water to this, or you can also make some spice paste. Ingredients are 4 garlics, and I've taken quarter spoon pinch of salt and half spoon red chili powder. Then I'm going to blend all this together. I like traditionally, blending them traditionally is very tasty. The taste really enhances it. I've finished the blending, and then I just added 1 spoon water, that's it, so that it's little bit liquidy, and I'm going to add this paste to this. This looks more. I'm just adding half of this because this is already hot, so this mix up well, and eat only when it cools down. After 10 minutes you can eat this. So this is good option, little bit softer version. To soften this, we have baked this in the salt. So when you do directly, then the heat is more and there is hardness in the seed, but when you bake it in the salt, then it's a little softer. Hope you enjoy this recipe.
For full description, look into the description box below, and if you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel, and see you with next video. Until then, bye.